Blue Skies, what a great song. We've been playing it in E minor for ages, but we've got Wendy who wants to sing it in A minor, so turns out it's great fun to play in A minor. If you play E minor shape on the 7th fret, so E minor, F, G, G sharp, A, then you get this great set of chords. And that's going to be pretty easy to remember because essentially it's the same chord for the first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same, these two notes stay the same, and this note descends by 1 fret each time. A minor with a major 7, A minor 6, A minor 7, and this one, I'm not sure whether to call it, could be a C suspended 4th, or maybe it's just a C with an F in the bass. But anyway, then D7 shape makes for F7, so D, E, F, 7, add a finger on the next string for a G7 something, can't remember, but makes it an easy move. F7, back to C. Now, I've been saying it's in A minor, but really I think it's in C. And what's the difference? Well, I think the clef's the same, but it sounds like it's finished when it gets to C. It doesn't sound like it's finished when you go to A minor. So I think that's going to be the difference. Blue skies smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. Birds singing a song, nothing but blue days. From now on, stay on the sea. Never saw the sun shining so bright, never saw things going so right. Noticing the days scurrying by when you're in love. My, how they fly. Oh, now we're back to where we started. All of them gone, nothing but blue skies. From now on. Oops. That bit in the middle. Never saw the sun. C. What's that minor? F minor. So I'm leaving my fingers on, even though they're not doing anything, because it's just a quick chord. Whoops. And then this is a G7 on the 7th fret. Back to C. Does it twice. Noticing the days. F minor, C, F minor, C, G7, C, E7. Same shape as B7. What a great fun song to play. There's another easier way to play it. So blue skies, A minor with a major 7, A minor 7, D7, C, blue skies, F, G7, C, E7, bluebirds sing a song, nothing but bluebirds. From now on, Never saw the sun. F minor on the 3rd fret, I reckon. It's like E minor up one. Is your best bet here because you can just play C with your first finger. Never saw the sun shining so bright. Never saw things, G7, going so right. Noticing the days hurrying by when you're in love. My, how they fly, oh, birds, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies. Oh, what's the last couple of chords? Oh, F to G7. From now on. Oh, that was fancy. I reckon you'll have fun playing that. We're going to have fun. All right, see you later, folks.